Hi everybody, it's Jennifer. I was gifted this incredibly beautiful and very versatile storage ottoman. First of all, as I said, it is so beautiful, such high quality. Stay tuned to the end. I'm going to show you some steps for installation and assembly. This is the perfect size for a living room, dining room, bedroom. You can see I have my tablecloths in here. You even have this really nice zipper storage pocket that is mesh, so you can put some things in here. When you pull it up, it does stay up and in position. You have this really nice cord right here so that it's really easy to open. If you want, you can always tuck that in as well if you don't want that to be hanging out. I'm going to show you both sides. It's tufted on top. This is really a perfect transitional piece for my use case because I need something for the dining room and the living room, sort of this transitional room. So I'm going to show you some close-up looks. You can see this is such beautiful quality. I love that you sort of have this double-sided feature so you can sit on both sides of it. I love the tufted top. The material is very high quality and absolutely gorgeous. Love this storage pocket on top. The hinges are great. They stay up and they are slow close, so you aren't going to catch a finger. Super deep capacity. This holds up to 37 gallons. And I just love, love, love this. Here's a look at the other side. This is really, really sturdy. So it is wood and metal. It holds up to 350 pounds. So this is a great additional seating option for your home. I could pull this up to the window. I could also use this in the dining room if people are sitting in there to have people sit on the other side. It really is just so multifunctional. Now let's put this together. Step one is to always take everything out of the box, take all of the plastic away, throw the cardboard away, and just get organized. This is it. This is how easy it is to put together. You have very few pieces. So you're going to just screw the legs on first. You use an Allen wrench for most of this, and that comes with it, and the feet just screw on. That's it. You just twist them. You are going to put the brackets on each side, just like that. And then we are going to attach these. Then you are going to take the two sides and screw the front panel on. And then you will do the same with the back panel. You just screw that on. This bottom part, you just drop in and push it into place, attach the hinges, and then we screw that on top, and that's it. This is really easy to put together. Love the quality, love the functionality of it. I think you are going to love this too. Definitely check it